things.
Oh, absolutely not.
Nice. Mr. Honky.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another adventuring video. Right, got the Scion, all reliable. This is the battery we stole to get my mom's Highlander working that one time. Anyway, but we don't talk about that. Anyway, we're doing 2 hikes today. One is 0.8 miles. And the other is 2 miles. Unfortunately, Elliot will not be joining.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I know, it's sad. He has family over, and family is one of the most important things in life, so can't blame him. But my brother will be joining us also. That is not it. We're gonna go, if you know who the Sickos are on YouTube, we're gonna watch them do their annual slip and slide to the Columbia River, where one of their buddies tows them on a jet ski around 30 to 40 miles an hour off a big old freaking jump. Roll up some clips here.
Come on, Will. Come on, Will. Come on.
Holy shit, that's crazy. But that's what their YouTube channel is about. They're Oregon-based. They love adrenaline. See you at the trailhead for the first hike, which I believe is the 0.8 mile hike round trip, or see you on the road. All right, guys, we got Jordan just rolled up in the Corolla. Look at this hooligan. You want to say anything about this hike?
No, they're both really short.
That's fair. That's fair. Wow, you remember to lock your car this
I
time.
haven't even gotten anything out of my car.
Yeah, maybe you should get something out of your car.
Look,
But
look.
no.
Want your drink?
I do. Which one?
Grab. No,
Oh.
no, that one.
This one.
No.
This one.
That
This one. This
That one.
Monkey. Almost there, boys.
Shh. I'm recording.
All right, guys, we've made it to the trailhead. Little TC made it. And we are in a campground. And here's the start of the trail. And we got this absolutely amazing wrap of a car.
Brother,
Holy ugly, goddamn.
I just live outside of the car.
All right, guys, there's the trail we came on. But don't get discouraged because there's a bridge. That is not the right way. You must go this way. And don't go that way either.
If you're going through hell, keep on going, don't slow down. If you're scared, don't show.
Alrighty, guys, we have Ryan up there and then Jordan is right there. We have a little scrambling section. I've made it this far and kind of just waiting for them to get up there so I don't get domed with the rock. Alright, guys, so gloving up. Of course, you gotta have the neon green gloves. If you don't have neon green gloves, you're doing something wrong, low key. That's what you expected? Ugh.
Like scrambling, you know?
Yeah. All right, guys, we must keep going. Dude, I'm on my fucking knees. Oh, this is not good. Oh, I don't like this at all. Oh, let's go. Dude, this is a lot scarier than Munra. All right, I'm coming.
Hell, keep on going.
Yeah, just
don't
pump them
slow
down.
down. If
Ow,
you're scared,
my
don't
foot.
show it. You might get out, for the devil even knows you're there. Yeah,
Oh, I'm
you're
hugging it,
going
man.
through
Oh, yeah,
hell.
the motions are good
Keep
trick. Low key. Yeah, had to agree on that. Gorton! Yeah, we're good.
I touched poison ivy while going up trying to kill her. My hands are gonna feel that later. I looked at the map. That's the way to get to the top of the falls, which ends up getting the V4 scrambling. You know that rock wall you could see? You have to go up that.
Yeah.
It's a good thing we stopped.
Yeah. So where do we go?
Up the creek. That's the scrambling.
Oh.
And it's V1.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, anybody want some socks?
Yeah. Why'd they go this way?
I don't know. Gorton Falls. All right, guys, we've made it to Gorton Falls. It goes way up there, and it's whoa. It's pretty peak. Low key. It's quite high. It's so wet. All right, we've made it back to this little log bridge thingamabobber. Low-key light work. All right, guys, we had finished the Gorton Falls hike. We were at the trailhead. We have a little Scion. Scion's still doing good. And now we keep going up I-84 to go to the next hike, which is like probably 10 minutes away, low-key. It's very close. So yeah, see you then. All right, guys, a little 6-minute drive in the car from the other trailhead for Gorton Creek Falls. we are here at Starvation Creek State Park, where we will see, I believe, a few waterfalls. And it is 2 miles round trip. See you on the trail. There's the asphalt path, or the paved path. Now we're on the not paved path, which is the actual beginning of this hike. We have not went that far, but there's the asphalt where we started. And we're already up here. Lots of elevation gain so far. We pulled off the trail and now we're here. We have a great view of the river. And then a nice overhang right here. We've gone high.
We gotta get on full side. Cool viewpoint.
Alright guys, now we're going down, I guess. We took the wrong way. Cause we
Not necessarily the wrong way, just
a different, harder
We
way.
got a cool view though.
This is true. We got cool view, but now we're going down. Look at that, and all of our progress is going out the door.
Think about it this way, you don't have to back up.
That is a good way to think. Alright guys, we made it to Lancaster Falls. And there it is. Not very impressive. Alright guys, very shortly after Lancaster, we got this one. Hole in the Wall Falls. It's called that because, as you can see, there's a hole and the waterfall comes out of it. Alright, so here's the path, the asphalt path, nothing too special. And then there's the falls, and we're going up there to see the falls. So, yeah, see you at the falls. Alright, as you can see, we're almost back to the parking lot. Essentially, we were that high, but we were over there somewhere. I don't really know where, but we were high. All right, guys, as you can see, there's my car. If you can see through the window, the blue. If you just go up over here towards the bathroom, apparently there is the fourth and final falls you will see. All right, guys, here is Starvation Creek Falls. It goes way up there. Oh, we're gonna see if we can get to a cool spot to see it. All right, guys, as you can see, I've made it back to the car, and now we go, give or take, probably 20 minutes to Hood River and go watch the Sickos perform their slip and slide jump. All right, Jordan, what do you find here?
Dude, one bite. Freaking burger, dude. Oh, it's stale as
I wonder why.
I wonder why.
It's in the sun.
Take a nibble.
I am not taking a nibble.
Dude, take a nibble.
I was able to guess the location from looking at the background from their stories. I am goated.
This dude's just a professional stalker, I think. Thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means the world to me that anybody actually watches my content. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Leave a comment if you want to, feel free. This was such an amazing day, and I'm so glad that I got to experience it. I will see you guys later on another video. Peace.